Hello everybody, welcome back to our HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll answer the question, is the app for your JBL TUNER free available on an iPhone? So the answer is yes it is. And how to find it? You need to go over to the App Store. So open up the App Store right here. And now go over to search. Here, search for games, apps, and more. And type in JBL Portable. Now, click on the search. And this is the app right here. It's from the Harman International Industries. Now, click on download. And I'll quickly enter my Apple account password. And I'll get back to you once the app is installed. So now we got the app, we can click on open, and as you guys can see, everything is working fine. So all we have to do here is click on get started. Now accept the terms and privacy. Here, click on allow, and click allow to notifications. As you guys can see, it has already detected our JBL, and now it's also in our app. So to answer your question simply, yes, the app is available. And that's it for the video. So I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.